It is that time again. Tomorrow, I'm off on holiday skiing. We're going to Alpe this time, and I'm so excited. I haven't been to like a new resort in about like 6 years. I've just been going to La Plan or Teen or Val d'Isère over and over and over again. So I'm super excited, and you're going to help me pack. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to pack my bags. It's currently midday. My brother and his wife are coming around later because they're staying at ours. They then get a taxi in the morning to the airport together. So I want to make sure all the bags are packed before they come round. Let's get to it. So a lot of our actual skiing stuff is here. We've got ski socks, some skiing t-shirts and a jumper. Our salopettes back here as well, our buffs. So yeah, the majority of our actual skiing stuff is all here, but I also need to pack non-skiing stuff. And there's some bits here that aren't actually. I've got another pair of salopettes I'd like to pack and another coat. I want to bring 2 coats and I don't know which coats to bring. So we're gonna have to try and figure that one out. I'm gonna start with my big hardback suitcase because I need Liam to pack the bag downstairs because we need to put some stuff around the skis, because last time when we went skiing, the edges of the skis ripped the ski bag, which was really annoying. So this time we're gonna wrap the skis or like put something on the skis to try and stop that from happening. We're gonna start with my hardback bag. Hardback? I don't know how you pronounce it. Oh. This time round as well, I really want to try and pack light. Just because last time I didn't bring loads of stuff with me, and I did use most of it, but it's just unnecessary to bring as much stuff as I do. And it would always be good if the bag downstairs wasn't as full as it was last time so that it doesn't rip. We're gonna start with the skiing essentials. I've got 2 pairs of salopettes. Yes, it's probably unnecessary to have 2, but I like to mix my outfits up. And then I've got 2 coats. I've got a black one and a brown one. This was like a cropped one, not quite as warm. And then this brown one I'll be wearing on the plane tomorrow. Just a bit bigger, a bit bulkier, a bit thicker. 4 pairs of buffs. And then I've got 3 beanie hats. This one I always wear underneath my helmet. And then these 2 I just like wear whenever I'm going out and about. I've got 3 pairs of ski socks. These ones are actually really good. They are stocks. So I wear them most of the days, and then just these 2 others as well. And then I've got 2 ski belts, both of them pink. And then I've got my Oakley sunglasses and my Sinners. These Sinners have literally done me so good for so long. I love them so much. I literally adore these. And then these are the Oakleys. I actually got gifted from Sunglass Hut for doing a collaboration with them. My first ever pair of Oakleys I got gifted. It's a bit insane, but yeah, they're also got pink lens. Very similar to the Sinners, to be honest, but they're quite big on my face, but I still love them. Yeah, they look massive on my face in this, but when you've got a hat on, they don't look as big. And then of course my Oakley goggles as well. I'm obsessed with these. I literally cannot wait to get on the mountain and wear them. Try them out. Beyond excited. And then I think this is the final bits. Oh no, I've got thermals as well. I've got my hip flask, and apparently it has toffee vodka in it at the moment. No, that's not toffee vodka, that's Bailey's. Delicious. Of course my Oakley mittens. They are starting to fall apart a little bit now, but the thumb is like worn away so much, but they still keep my hands warm. They're still doing their job at the moment, so no complaints from me. I've got a sweatshirt, a hooded fleece, a black hooded fleece, and then I've also got an Oakley's jumper that I'm going to be wearing to the airport tomorrow. Okay, final skiing bits. Then I have 3 like tight tops. 2 of them are proper thermals, these 2. This one's like a high neck one, and this one's just a plain crew neck one. And then I've also got a just tight long sleeve top to take with me as well. And then I've got my bottom thermals. I don't wear thermals because I just get too hot with my salopettes already. So I've got 2 pairs of shorts that I bring with me that I normally wear underneath my salopettes. And then I've also got 2 leggings to bring because if it is like really cold, I think it was quite cold out there recently. So if it gets too cold, I will be putting on these leggings underneath. I've got 2 long sleeve baggy tops to wear when I'm skiing, and then I've also got 3 short sleeves to wear as well. Okay, so as for outwear, I've got 1 pair of fluffy leggings, genuinely one of the best purchases I've ever made. This is actually a repurchase, but they're from Primark and they've got fluff on the inside and they're amazing, literally perfect for the winter. And then I've got 2 tight tops and like a nicer top to wear for dinner. 2 more like nice-ish baggier plain t-shirts, like if we go to the pub or something one evening. And then my cow print jeans. Got some long sleeve pajamas with me that I'll lounge about in the chalet as well, because I would love to take some trackies with me, but they're just too thick and too big to fit in the suitcase, and it's just about necessary, so pajamas it is. And then I've got 2 sports bras, and obviously the rest of my pants and socks as well. And hopefully this is all I'm going to need for toiletries. It will have my toothbrush, shampoo and conditioner, face wash, whatever I need. I might have to take a second one, but I'm going to try and fit it all in here because I don't wear that much makeup when I'm skiing anyway. Obviously a pair of slippers, but I'm going to bring my old ones. I don't have the fluff on them and they're just a little bit more worn. That's pretty much everything I'm bringing. This is the current state of my room and the bed that needs to go into the suitcase. But I'm going to get on and put it all into the suitcase now. Hopefully, because I've got everything out, it won't take me too long. We've got some stuff packed into these cubes. There's some other bits that aren't packed into them yet, but now it's time to put it in to the suitcase. Liam is home, so we are packing bag numero dos, the ski one. I think that one was last.
Yeah, I'll just skis back to back against these ones for a second. I wonder if yours are a bit wider than the sides. The sides don't have to be up.
We've gone for a different method this time. We put the skis on the inside rather than the outside. If that makes any sense at all.
Yeah, that's going up there, that's fine.